some questions for you. First question, why are you so cute? Well, I'm cute because I'm a dog, okay? I'm 7 years old, and I like to look at people when I hear stuff. Okay, what's your second question? My second question is, why do you bark at people? I bark at people because I'm not used to people. I'm only used to my owners. Okay, I get it. And the third question is, why do you keep staring while you're talking? The reason why I stare, it's because I like to stare. When I hear noises like they were, I always stare because it's really exciting. And also, the second thing is, I'm a dog. I like to turn a lot. Then I look back, and I look everywhere. Okay. Fourth question is, you lay back down. The fourth question is, why do you always lay on streets and people's beds? I sleep on them because they're cozier. And why don't you sleep in your bed a lot? Because the couch is much cozier, much better with the sheets on it. I can see that. So, I'm going to give you another question. What are you? Yeah, that's my dog. Okay, fifth question is, I don't really know. All I know is that you're cute, but the fifth question is, why do you always walk around the house and do boring things? Well, the thing is, I have nothing else to do. One of my toys are thrown away, so I only have one toy. And you guys need to buy me more toys, okay? Okay. Sixth question is, I don't know, but why do you always sleep like this? Well, not always, why do you sleep like this? Well, relax like this sometimes. It's cozy for me. I'm a dog. I have my own ways to sleep. Well, sometimes you sleep like a person in the bed. Duh. Well, I do that because I just want to be like human. Okay. Which question am I on? Seventh question. Why do you eat like a person and sleep like a person and stand like a person sometimes when you get excited? The reason why I do it is I want to prove that I'm a human so that I can have real food. I see that. The thing is, why did you lose your tooth for the ninth question? Oh, that's easy. I just lost it. How did you lose it? I just lost it. I don't know how I lost it, but I lost it. Okay. 10th question. Why do you, bark and jump when people come in the house that you know, like your owners, like when I came over from Carl's Jr. today? Why? Wow, it's because I get excited, well, the thing is, you were excited today because you haven't come back in like 5 days, because we had to clean the floor, we had to do all this stuff. Well, I do like when people pet me, but when they're new people, I bark because I have no treats for them. But then they give me treats, so then I get used to them, but I may think that they have more, but they actually don't. Why is that so? Look at your... Okay, the 11th question is, why are you so furry in 5 days? Because we got you groomed. Well, it's because my hair grows fast. I lost my drill, and it was like a big knot, but they got a bunch of my hair out. So my hair is nice and smooth now. I'm nice and happy and cozy. So you've been having busy days in the hot, right? Yeah, I've been having busy days. But I took a bath, and it felt refreshing. I went crazy after, so I could get dried off faster. That's how I get. But I don't go crazy. Not even one crazy. Okay. So, what's your name? Alice Rose. I have a pee pad. Why did you say that? Why? I couldn't help myself. I want to tell the audience. Okay, well, just so you know, I hope they didn't hear this, because you will be in big trouble if they did. I I like my treat. Can I have a treat? After this video, you have to do good. And at the end of the video, we'll give you a treat. Oh, yeah, this is the spot. Yeah. Yeah, after you said that, I'm feeling cozier. You want me to go and get you a treat? Yes. Okay, let me find your treats. What's your treat? If I can't find your treats, Alice, you're going to be in big trouble. Okay. Where are they? They have to be back there. Where are they? Oh. Huh. Oh, dang it, that's not it. Well, I'm losing control right now. Cereal box is in the way. Oh, found them. Okay, get them. Yes, Alice, I know it's exciting. They have to come on this. Well, you're looking at me, Alice. It's your lucky day. Here's your treats. Alice, you are a small dog, a smart dog. You haven't had your treats in 5 days. So, you need to sit. Stay. There you go. Walk away and sit in your bed now. That's your treat. Been wanting it for 5 days. Okay, here you go in your bed. I won't take your treat today, Alice. But I need to ask you, how do you enjoy that treat if you're a dog? It's a dog treat. It's for small dogs. Then why is it kind of big? Because I eat big treats. These are juicy. Can I do the review short? I'll show them my masterpiece. Here is my masterpiece of toys in the living room. I'm still setting it up. But you're wondering why this is here. It's actually a bed. So today has been a busy day for me because I was in church with my friend. So usually look at Alice Rose. You can call her Alice Rose. You could call her Alice Rose, her full name. Or you could just call her Alice, or you could just call her Rose. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video today. Well, give you a house tour tomorrow or today. Say bye, Alice. Bye bye. My name is Alice Rose again. I